guys, we are entering Waynesboro, beginning of the ride in Michaud. Alright, let's go through here, see what's over here. Man, I finally got a tire on. God, this bike is perfect for this sort of atmosphere. This is fun. Linus is definitely much better than me at gravel riding. He like goes into the corners a whole lot harder. The ride first.
Good ride, dude.
Do you know this is called Weird Road? Kind of like looking around for interesting spots. I don't like this ground though, it's slippery. Shock is just so soft. Beautiful scenery here. If you look to the right, you got the view of the valley. I'm not into the single track as much as I like the forest roads. I mean, we're not even in the Michaud State Forest, and this place is pretty awesome. Yeah, this is definitely like very slippery. I am covered in dust. Yeah, those corners, man, they are tricky. I wish I could see the elevation. I think a lot of people don't realize it, but you do work out riding off-road, especially on a single track trail. Man, that is a workout. The bigger your bike, the more you work out. So if you're a fatso, get a big BMW GS, go ride off-road. It's like going to the gym. Look at this motorcycle. Oh my god, he's got a basket. We have filled up and we are in Michaud State Forest. I came here on on my Super 10 Ray, so that was the last bike I rode through here. I believe that this is a little bit more populated as well, so something to keep in mind when you're riding through here. I think what I like about Michaud is that it's very easy to ride, but also it goes on for a while, so you don't have to constantly be getting on pavement to look for another roads or, you know, for gravel. Really, this is like the super soggy here. Holy cow, this is so soggy. So this is a good place to park and start your riding. We're out of Michaud State Forest, but look at the country roads. For a sport bike, just come out here, ride around. This is so pretty. And to the right, that is where Michaud State Park is. So we're about to go back into it. completely different the way a big dual sport handles in this. I don't know, this looks kind of cool. This place would look badass in the winter. Alright, DRZ 400. Oh, this sounds like a beast. So different than my... Oh yeah. Oh my god. This feels like I'm sitting on top of the bike. My CRF feels so different. Oh my god. Yeah, this feels like a dirt bike. Oh, a lot more power. A lot more power. Oh, wow. This thing's got power. Oh my lord. Oh my god. This thing's got power. Yeah, this is so much stronger than my CRF. Oh my god, this thing. Whoa. Yeah, this thing has got awesome power. It also feels heavier, but oh man, suspension is better on this. Yeah, this feels like a proper dirt bike. It's amazing, man. Like, these DRZs are so good, but I kind of feel that I'm sitting on top. Like, it's so different than my CRF. Suspension's so much better. Oh yeah. Oh my god. This thing. Oh my god. I've lost him. I lost him. This is it's so much stronger than my bike. It's incredible. Where is he? Wow, yeah, it feels great. I mean, it's definitely less refined, but suspension wise, I mean, if I stand up, it actually kind of feels like I'm a little bit too far forward, but that's fine. Yeah, this is a beastly machine. I didn't think the DRZ was that powerful. CRF, if you're a beginner, is a much better bike because you can't really get in trouble with its power band. I do like it. You know, I love power. I love the power in these bikes. Good brakes. Yeah, this is so different than the DRZ, man. Alright, this is probably the last... Whoa, what happened? Where is he? Where is he? He just disappeared from the from my rear view mirror. There's his bike. What happened? Oh, he's peeing. That's pretty much the end of the ride today. I'm just going to be on this road. Definitely going to take some back roads, but that's pretty much the end of the ride. DRZ Linus is going this way, but he's going to be taking a more westerly route. I'll be going more east and south towards Washington. But that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the beauty of riding a CRF250 as a dual sport. What's that cow doing? Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next ride. Thanks for watching. Bye!